Hey guys, welcome back. Today let's continue the topic airline terminology. So this will be the part 2. So guys, in today's class we'll see the three category of passengers. So basically in airport or in aviation, whenever you book ticket or whenever we as a staff issue ticket, we consider three kind of categories. So the categories are infant. So you can see over here, I'll put it infant, child and adult. So these are the three categories. So before we talk about these three categories, let me ask you one thing. Do you have ever heard that flight tickets are free for children or baby? So the answer is no. If you are traveling in bus or train up to 6 years, 8 years or 12 years, the ticket is free, right? But in aeroplane there will be no free tickets for even a small baby also. So let's see what and all are the criteria and how we categorize them. So basically infants are the baby. So for babies we call it as infant, and the age limit for infants who can travel in the flight is 2 days from the birth. So the day the baby born, we will not allow the passenger to travel on that day and the next day. So after 2 days they can travel, like any passenger can travel with the baby. So 2 days from the 2 days till 2 years. So from day 2 to till 2 years we consider that baby as an infant. And if it is even 1 day more than 2 years, like if it is 2 years and 1 day, up to 12 years we consider it as child, and after 12 years, like 12 years 1 day, so after 12 years 1 day we consider them as a adult. So now let me categorize what is the fare difference in this. Okay, so for infants, we charge only 1000 rupees for domestic sectors, and international it is 1500 right now, but I cannot say when you are watching the video it may can increase or decrease. So right now for infants domestic sector the price is 1000 rupees, and for international sector it is 1500 rupees. And let me tell you why it is so less. Because for infants we don't provide any additional seat, or infant doesn't require seats. So the baby will be on either father or mother lap. So we consider them as an infant and we charge only minimum fees. But if it is a child, so child, if it is more than 2 years and 1 day, so if it is a child, we or like the airline charges full amount as same as adult. So here we don't have any half ticket, like that kind of thing, like how we have in railway or in buses. So here there is no half ticket options. We have to pay the full for even the child, and for child we provide seats. So child will not be seated on father's or mother's lap. It will be on the, like for child we will give a additional seat who can sit on their own seats. And adult as usual, like how much ever you are paying for child, same we have to pay for adult also. So these are the three categories. And while issuing the boarding pass, or like if you are working in a ramp, as a ramp staff also we have to monitor these three things. We have to take care of these three things, like how many childs are there, how many infants are there, and how many total adults are there. So child and adults, it can be both male and female, and as well as infant also it can be both male and female. So guys, these are the three categories which we have to consider. So guys, again this is very important topic. Like if you are working on the counter as a check-in staff, or if you are working near the boarding gate as a boarding staff, you have to monitor all these things. Like if a baby is more than 2 years and the parents have booked a ticket as an infant, so again that is not allowed. And you have to identify, you can ask, like the parents in India we can say, like not only me, if anybody it is, we try to save some money, and for that reason we can say no, it is below the baby is below 2 years. At that time we can request for the birth certificate or any address, any proof which has the date of birth. We can request, there is no harm in that. So guys, that's it for today. And let me tell you one more thing, that next week, so like upcoming 1 week, I'll not be able to post any video of this topic. So for 1 week I am going out of my hometown, so I'll not be able to post it. Apart from that, again we'll continue after 1 week. So if you like the video, please share with your friends or colleagues, and if you think this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates regarding aviation. We'll meet up in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.